we need to try to balance some, because if you go years and years or decades with things keep coming in, they keep coming in, but a fraction actually goes out if you think about it. That's something we kind of need to change. Is
topic today is something that was very needed, but it doesn't necessarily doesn't exactly evolve around the animals or some of the things we normally do. It is very much needed.
Good morning, everyone. I am going through a couple of boxes that I found. I am starting a decluttering series and thought I would go ahead and kick it off with this project. It's just old papers. Came across it and it's like, I don't need to keep this. So I just wanted to take just a little bit this morning. And I found magazines, I found all kinds of junk. So it's off camera, but I have old calendars, all kinds of stuff. This pile in front of me is going to be a throwaway pile. I also have a pile right here that has anything with personal information. I could shred this, or what I'm going to choose to do, because we live in the country, is I'm going to burn it, because we do have a burn barrel that we use occasionally. We all have clutter, some of us more than others, because sometimes when you just get stuff, you just push it aside, and then you kind of make a pile, and it's like, okay, I'll go through that when I've got time, and I will sort it, because some things need to be filed, you want to keep them, but clutter builds up so fast. It just shocks me. When I'm busy, I don't take the time to stop, file things that need to be filed, or go through it, open it and see, do I need this? Do I not need this? Do I want it to go in the trash? It's like, oh, let's just go burn it. I am ready to purge some stuff. We have decades of stuff. There's no reason to have all that stuff if I've not seen it in a decade. I'm trying to let go of some things. I don't have to be sentimental about everything. There are times, I guess, I have good memories of that thing, and it's like I'm not ready to let go of that. But you know what? You got to look at, does it have a home? Does it have a place? Is there space? I just know I'm not alone in this, and so I wanted to bring you guys along with it. And I would love comments from you guys, especially you guys that are great at organizing and having a system, for everything. I love having organization and all that, but it seems like I've got so much that's become unorganized and built up. But I'm going to stop, and I'm trying to make a thought of, I can't probably do it every day, especially with the holidays coming up. Every week, just try to take one area, even if it's just one cabinet, and declutter it. Declutter, organize, file it, clean it out. And this can go with papers, it can go with my medicine cabinet, my linen cabinet, not to mention kitchen cabinet. I just wanted to kind of throw a quick decluttering episode out there, just to kind of maybe spur you guys and motivate somebody, because I got motivated. And I'm gonna try to hold myself accountable to something, daily or weekly, even if it's a drawer or two, or a cabinet, or a room. I've got a couple rooms I could declutter in one day. I have a few rooms, not many. Okay, so right now what I'm just doing, I'm going to go through some of these, and I just know that if it's from 2 years ago, I don't need it. It goes in the burn pile. Why? do kind of have a couple piles, but you can see how fast I'm flipping through this to get rid of the bulk. I want to get rid of the bulk. So I am almost done. Okay guys, I got it all done, and so it didn't take that long. I'm gonna try to figure out how to declutter decades of stuff. It feels good, it's good for your mental health, it's good for your peace of mind. Get rid of the clutter we don't need. We need to take time to do this because I do know that the peace that it gives you is so healthy. It's so healthy. So this will be a declutter. It'll be a series of projects. I think when we get to a certain age, we just have to kind of just for our peace, let's declutter and do it along with me, guys. If you can, let's just hit a few items. Sometimes we have to just stop and like, do we really need this? Nope. You know, I got to take time to get rid of the junk that comes in. That's one thing that I heard from somebody is the amount of stuff that we purchase, we go out and buy, or that just comes in through the mail. The things that come into our house, we don't realize. I mean, it's a high percentage of things that come into our house, but how much goes out? That was kind of shocking to me. You run to the store or you order something online, you know, clothes, whatever, and it's like you put it in. Well, how much of that goes out? So we need to try to balance some, because if you go years and years or decades with things keep coming in, they keep coming in, but not, I mean, a fraction actually goes out if you think about it. That's something we kind of need to change, is need to get more stuff going out. You know, not just, you know, I know we take out the kitchen trash, but what about all the stuff I bring in at random? You know, then the kitchen items, the gadgets here and there, the clothes, the shoes, it comes in all through the year, but how much actually goes back out? Anyway, that was a huge eye-opener for me when I heard that. I just want to motivate you guys, and let's keep each other motivated. Share your ideas on organizing, filing or organizing, on how you keep things. You know, you can share it with in the comments, and everybody can benefit from that. This was my startup. I will be bringing along other areas. So I encourage you to take a little box or take a little pile or get in a file and clean that file out. You know, that would be, that's a start. That's a start. So come with me on this journey. Let's see if we can get a little bit of decluttering going on to help bring some peace into our homes and our lives a little bit more, because when it's decluttered, it's easier to clean. I need that too. So thank you for hanging in with me. But you guys have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you so much, guys. Bye-bye.
Paris, please don't get your head stuck. Figure it out, girl. Oh, gee. Guess I'll go help her. How come I didn't see that coming?